Hello guys, in this video I will discuss how to download and install Apache Tomcat 10 on Windows 10. Okay, before installing Apache Tomcat, you confirm on your PC JDK is installed or not. Okay, if you are not installed JDK, then go to the description box and there is a link for how to download and install, a video link for how to download and install JDK. Firstly watch this video and then continue to install JDK. Then continue to install Apache Tomcat. Okay, so firstly I will check in my PC JDK is installed or not by using command prompt and write the code java-version. Okay, in our PC there is a Java version 21 is downloaded. Okay, then for installing Apache Tomcat 10, go to the browser and search download Tomcat server, and then go to the official website of Tomcat and scroll down, and from download we choose Tomcat 10 and then scroll down, and from binary distributions you can choose 64-bit download zip, or you can also choose 32-bit or 64-bit Windows Service Installer. So I recommended I install this 64-bit Windows Service Installer. Okay, I click on and here downloading is start. After completing download, go in show in folder and then run this application Apache Tomcat application file. And then yes, then next, I agree and select from full, and then next, and the default port is 8080, so then next. This is the path of our JDK where we install JDK 21. Okay, and then next, this is the destination of our Tomcat server, and then install. Okay, and then finish. In this way, our Tomcat server is successfully installed on our PC. You can also check Tomcat server is running properly on 8080 port. Okay, so give this link http localhost:8080. So if you are seeing this, you are successfully installed Tomcat. Okay, congratulations. So our Tomcat server is successfully running on 8080 port. Okay, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe.